Everyone should have this. Hey, beautiful. Welcome back to my channel. I'm so happy that you guys came back. Listen, I wanted to tell you all about this amazing opportunity in the tech field. And listen, single mommies, this is especially for you. Y'all know if you already are a part of my private community, Girl Elevate Your Voice, you already know that I provide resources, different free resources that's in your area right now. You are a part of my community. I already provide the grant and free resource list, and this is a list for all 50 states. You get a list of free resources in your state, a whole list of grants, and a whole list of work from home opportunities. So this is another opportunity that I had to lay upon you all because I felt like it could be really helpful regarding career. So if you were ever interested in getting into the tech field, stick around and keep watching because this just might be for you. Now, I'm going to go ahead and share my screen and I'm going to show you how to sign up. It is called Course Careers. And listen, there are 3 different courses that you can take. Once you sign up, you'll start off with the introductory course. And then that would be, just setting the tone to see if this is for you or not, right? So I'm going to go ahead and share my screen so you guys can see how to sign up and basically where you go and how you do it. All right, guys. So this is what I've been talking about. It's called Course Careers. And listen, if you guys take a moment to just like really read, because sometimes y'all don't be reading, I'm gonna really need for y'all to sit back and read. It says start your career the modern way, no experience or degree required. And that is awesome. Most people think that when you get into the tech field that you need a bachelor's degree or, you need a particular experience. But listen, no, not with this. And basically what it is, you'll take a course and then it puts you in position to enter an entry level job. So, and they do it for you, right? So listen, this is awesome. Now, I actually, in my 9 to 5, I work technical support. So I'm kind of like in the technical field as well. But listen, I'm thinking about myself actually taking one of these courses and, just diving deep into it and see, how far I can go with it because it's some really great stuff and the salaries are amazing. Wait till y'all see these salaries. I gotta take my bracelets off because they keep clinking. So I'm gonna just sit my bracelets right here. All right. So they have technology sales, digital marketing, and information technology. Now listen, each of these babies salary, listen, I'm gonna click on technology sales so you guys can see, so we can read, because that's what I need you guys to do. I need you to read. So start your career in tech sales. So they teach you everything you need to know about technology sales through their online course and they help you connect with a great entry-level tech sales position and internships, right? Now check out this. It says start an amazing career with no degree or experience and be on track to make over $60,000 in your first year. And check this, and potentially $100,000 in the following years. I highlighted it so you can see it. So I don't know about y'all, but I would definitely be clicking and get started. But right. So let's just click on get started. Let's just say this is one that you were interested in joining or starting. So you just sign up regularly. You can use your Google, you can use your Facebook, or you can just go ahead and do it the old-fashioned way. Put your name, your email address, create a password. And once you sign up, you'll get an email confirmation, of course, and then you'll be able to click in this top section here, courses, and it'll take you to your course board and it'll tell you to start your introductory course. Now, once you do that, once you start the course, when the first part of the course is over, you'll have the opportunity to continue or not. So if you do decide to continue, like, let's get it. Make sure you guys use my 50% code. It's a great investment. If you want to learn more go to my website. I'll leave it in the description box below, but it's called Mothers Who Invest. So if you're a mama, motherswhoinvest.com. Listen, this is the year of investing in you. This is the year of going ahead and stepping out on faith, trying something new so you can go ahead and start living the life that you are destined to live. There's no more living paycheck after paycheck, paycheck to paycheck. There's no more of that. This is a lucrative courses that you can take right now to set you up, put you in position for a $60,000 to $100,000 salary in the next 2 years. So I really want you guys to take advantage of this opportunity. I told myself I won't make this video too long, so I'm gonna stop sharing my screen. And yes, so make sure you guys take full advantage of this opportunity. I'm trying to tell you, you don't want to miss it. If you have any questions though, if you want to check out my private community, Girl Elevate Your Voice, I'll leave that in the description box as well. If you're looking for other resources that I can possibly help you with, you can go ahead and schedule a free resource session with me and check out my availability. And then I'll be in touch with you and I'll talk to you and we can find out what's available to you. Because listen, one of my main things that I struggled with was basically asking for help. And when I did try to find the help myself, I never took action on the help that I actually received. So sometimes we need that accountability coach or that accountability friend or partner to help guide us in the right direction to get us where we need to go, right? So it was a pleasure talking to y'all. Listen, make sure you like, comment, subscribe if this video helps, share it, like, do all that good stuff. Y'all know that YouTube stuff. That's what one of my mentors say, that YouTube stuff. But anyway, I will talk to you guys next time. I'm dropping a video every Monday. So listen, make sure you come back next Monday so you can see what we're talking about next Monday, because I'm gonna have another opportunity for you guys to check out. And yeah, really tap in with me. Join my private community, and I'll see y'all on the inside. Bye, beautiful.